Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to start using Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To get started, first, download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, create an account by providing basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent by Crypto.com. Next, set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done using an authenticator app or SMS verification. After setting up two-factor authentication, verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID and a selfie. This step is mandatory to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Now, navigate to the dashboard and explore the various features offered by Crypto.com. You can buy cryptocurrencies using a credit or debit card, or through a bank transfer. You can also earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings by staking them or lending them to other users. To buy cryptocurrency, click on the Buy button and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm the transaction. You can also set up a recurring buy to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com also offers a range of other services, including a cryptocurrency wallet, a credit card, and a decentralized finance platform. The Crypto.com wallet allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies securely. The Crypto.com credit card offers cashback rewards and other benefits. The decentralized finance platform allows you to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies. To get the most out of Crypto.com, it is essential to understand the fees associated with each service. Crypto.com charges a small fee for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, and there are also fees for withdrawing funds. However, there are no fees for depositing funds or holding cryptocurrencies in your account. In conclusion, starting with Crypto.com is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, verifying your identity, and exploring the various features offered by the platform. By following these steps and understanding the fees and services offered by Crypto.com, you can start buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies with confidence. Remember to always prioritize security and use two-factor authentication to protect your account.